So now let's talk about other assembly mates. And for that, I'm now going to use a completely different assembly. So here inside the SolidWorks tangent assembly folder, you will find this plate. So you just need to open SolidWorks tangent assembly and open this base file. Now when the base file is open, simply go to assembly. So this is open in part modeling environment. I'll now go to make assembly from part modeling environment. There we are. Now here I'll activate the graphics preview so that we can see what's going on here. And now I'll click OK just to insert it at origin. And we are done. Now we can also close this base part. We don't need it anymore. All right, let's add another component here. So I'll go to insert component and I'll now add this pillar. Click open and just add it maybe randomly here. Now in this case, we want this pillar exactly at the center of this plate. So basically we want this center of this base to align with the center of this plate. And we can do it directly using an advanced mate. Let's see how it works. So I'll go to this plane and then I'll control select this plane. And right here we have the profile center mate that we can use. Now it's an advanced mate, but it's fairly easy to apply. So I'll just select this profile center and there it is. It will automatically coincide the centroid of both of these planes. Now its direction is of course not right. We need to flip it. So you can flip it simply by clicking this flip mate alignment option. And with that, click OK and we are done. Now this is one way of adding it. Alternatively, we can do it in a different way like this. I'll press Ctrl Z to get back to this. Now I'll go to mate. And here in the advanced mate, we have the profile center. So just activate it. Now select both the planes. So this one and this one. And now you of course don't need to select your control key. You can directly click and automatically select both of these. Again, in the mate alignment, flip it and we are done. So it's added. So that's the profile center advanced mate. Now let's add one more component. So I'll click OK and I'll go to insert component and I'll add this bearing and open and maybe add it here. Now we want this bearing to slide in this groove. All right, and for that, I'm going to use the tangent mate. So let's just select this surface and then I will select the surface which is inside this. So Control select this surface and now it will only show you tangent and lock mate. Well, we of course want tangent mate, so just select it and there we are. Now it is applied. Now with this tangent mate selected, SolidWorks will now keep this bearing completely tangent on this surface and it will move right inside this groove exactly the way we want. So let's just try it. So I'll just select it and there we are. Now it's moving exactly in that groove. So that's the tangent mate. It will keep it tangent to the surface. So now with that, let's save this assembly. So I'll go to save to this PC and rebuild and save document. And whenever it prompts for rebuilding, always rebuild and then save it. So I'll just save it as assembly2 and save it.